Today is very big day. Winnie just signed up for the Thai school to learn Thai language for 1 year. Unbelievable. How do you feel, Sayang?
I made a big decision in my life, and now Thailand is our home base. I already signed up my application form for my educational visa, and then I will be here for 1 year, actually for studying Thai language. Wow!
How cool is that, right?
So many of you may be asking why I would like to learn to speak Thai. One thing, whenever I go, wherever I go, actually like this morning I was in the laundry and I met the cleaning lady. I try to wash everything and I asked how to use the coin machine. I know I used to live in Bali for 32 years. I don't know how to use a coin laundry. Shame on me. But yes, I asked the cleaning lady, but she doesn't speak English and we have the language barrier. And I try to explain using gesture and body language. And yeah, this is what I think that the learning Thai language is my survival language in Thailand, because everybody tried to speak Thai, to me. Tuk-tuk drivers, taxi drivers, everyone. And then when they realize that I'm not Thai, they are looking at me like, you are not Thai? Whenever we start the conversation, Sawadika. And then I answer Sawadika. And after that, they speak Thai to me, I just quiet. And then, you are not
Tourist
Thai,
price.
aren't
Tourist
you?
price.
I said, no, I do apologize, sir, madam. I just said like that, and then I got the tourist price. So basically that my school will be in this area, Soi 13, just pretty close by the Nana MRT and Asok MRT. So this is a very prime location. And maybe most of you also asking why you should learn Thai, This is the most important thing for me is that I left Bali, I left my job, I sold everything. But the thing is that I also should improve myself professional development, which is learning a language. Learning a new language is also a new life skill for me.
Exactly. And new possibilities maybe in the future, right?
Yes.
And the school name is the Duke Language School. The course for the 1 year school actually cost Winnie 49,000 baht, which is about 1.6 thousand US dollars. And then of course you will get a visa actually for 1 year, right?
Yes. And the most important thing that I will be tested by Minister of Education. So the first 3 months I will be tested by them. And then I think the next another 3 months also. This is a very good for me, It means that I really have to learn seriously. So I take this ED visa is not for the purpose of staying longer, but for the purpose for improving my self-professional development.
Exactly. That's also very important because we could do actually, going between the countries and extend our visas. That will be no problem. We could stay for a longer while here, but Winnie really want to develop her skills, which is very important. Also, at the same occasion, I have a drone for sale, DJI Mini 3 Pro with the touchscreen controller, just brand new. Well, as you know, we are on budget and we are just starting our adventure in a new country. So we are financially not like as we have unlimited amount of funds, so I need to sell the drone to cover at least half of the tuition cost, of the tuition fee, obviously. So if you are in Thailand in the next few weeks, or you are planning to come and you want to buy the drone, which is very great condition with the professional flight operator like me, let me know in the comment section. We can make a good deal with that. So for the next few months, probably there will be no drone footage on my channel. I have to sell a drone, but don't worry, I have still Insta360 camera with my magic steer, which is invisible sticks, which is somehow looks like a drone, especially when we are driving on the motorbike or something like that. But at least selling the drone is the good investment because Winnie can have a school and develop herself. Also, we are on budget, as you know, so we really have to watch it. We have to try to survive another year here. So, well, I hope so you understand. Kapunka. Sayang will enjoy and will speak Thai in the future at least. By the way, we just met one of our viewers here in Bangkok, just freshly retired in Bangkok. How cool is that? Good luck with your journey, buddy. From New Zealand, by the way. And yeah, we are heading now to having some lunch in Terminal 21, which is actually probably our most common meeting point whenever we're gonna finish the school. Also, the food is very affordable and very nice, isn't it?
Yes.
You are not bored yet with the Thai food, Sayang?
No. Some people asking me that, don't you miss Indonesian food? No, because Thai food tastes much better.
But also, even as we're gonna study here in Bangkok, doesn't mean as we're gonna be limited with our videos only to Bangkok. Of course, we're gonna be like expats of Bangkok in Thailand, but we're gonna explore all around the Thailand itself in general. We're gonna go to Chiang Mai, we're gonna go to Phuket, maybe even in upcoming weeks. So don't you worry, and we're gonna try to cover as much as possible from Thailand in general, guys. So this is our food today, lunch.
So this is why I don't miss my Indonesian food. Even look like this, look like Indonesian dish, but taste much better.
This is nice fish with rice and veggies, by the way. Fried gyoza, just fresh, and fish soup. Very nice. And all of this cost us a few dollars, not so much actually. This is like a 150 baht maybe all together with the drinks, something like that.
Mine is around 75 baht.
So it's very nice, very affordable. Enjoy. Alright, that was our lunch in the mall, the food court Terminal 21. Many of you must know. Also behind over there is so kind boy. We should make a video there one day. What do you think? So
One day.
One day, for sure. Yesterday was the nightlife. One day we're gonna go there. Anyways, now we are going to Platinum Mall, doing some shopping for Winnie. Also, this is the Asok Street here. We are going to having a river taxi. River taxi is very exciting thing.
I never been to river taxi. Is it the same like when we are going to, Icon Siam?
Whoa, it's kinda more interesting.
Let's
see. Also check this out, this traffic here in Bangkok, one of the main streets. So that's why we decided to take a river taxi. Anyway, having a river taxi, BTS, public transportation, is the best way to avoid the stuck in the traffic like these people over here. Many condominiums like this building over here, and also so many office towers. So maybe that's why it's busy. Also, this is the road leading from city center, Sukhumvit Road, going to the toll roads, paid highways. So yeah, it's Bangkok traffic. One of the very famous condominium to stay in Asok is this one, Furama Exclusive. Small older condo like this one, but well, you are staying in the city center, but at the same time in the heart of the huge traffic jam, but walking distance to go everywhere. So well, many pros and many cons of staying here. Okay, this is one of the junctions here. Look at these cables at the front of us, actually crazy, huh? Well, cables and traffic. This is Bangkok. As some of our friends said, Bangkok is messy, but it's very interesting at the same time.
Yeah.
So, you have to find the balance. And, well, Bangkok is the kind of place like this one. Balance, because it's interesting, messy, and well, always is something is going on in this big city. Here we go. This is the Canal, and this is the river taxi. It's actually going over there. We have to cross this bridge and go down. And meanwhile, I just want to show you this is all around there are condominiums, just in case if you would like to stay. However, the traffic jam is here horrendous. I mean, crazy. Not sure if you would like to stay here. However, many people are actually staying, and this is where are we going now? Down, but we're going into that direction. Our boat is coming, like this one, number 16, going to Pratunam. You have to always know where to go, which direction. Sayang, are you scared?
No.
Oh, that's our boat. Jump in. Just have to be careful how you're going. Don't be afraid. It's actually good crack driving the boats like this one. Ooh, like this one. Alright, we're in the boat. It's very loud here. Very cool experience, huh? First time for you.
Wow, the river is super clean.
Actually clean and it's not smelly. but it's wavy a little bit, especially when the other boat is coming like this one. But it's cool, and the ride to Pratunam, it's cost you 14 bahts. You're gonna get a ticket. Just remember to keep it with you.
So
cool.
cheap.
So cool and so cheap. But also, except that, this is very cheap. You can really avoid the traffic jam in Bangkok, and it's very quick. Wow, that was the ride, is that Sayang? What do you think?
Super cool. This is my first time taking a river taxi, but it was in Icon Siam as well, right?
That was different. This one is different.
Ah.
This one is like a proper taxi, local taxi. Some of those people here changing to another boat. So if you want to go more further, because you can change every like a 5 or 10 stations and going more and more across the Bangkok River, you know? So it's so cool.
I know where we are. That's the Central World Mall.
Exactly, I told you, over there. But on today's occasion, we are going there, Platinum Fashion Mall. Okay, let's go. Let's see what is there. We are getting ready to cross this junction here. Just wanted to show you a little bit the situation, what's going on. This is also Novotel Hotel here, where is the mall of Platinum, as you can see, Novotel. And you can walk using the skywalk up to Central World over there. So cool. Okay, I hope so. I hope so we can cross the street, huh? Peacefully.
Wow.
Yeah, traffic in Bangkok. That's the skywalk what I mentioned previously, and this is little park, beautiful sunset, view of the river taxis and river itself, the canals actually of Bangkok, and this is on the other side, looks like this one. The big traffic jam, as you can see. The main junction, and also this is the entrance to the Novotel Hotel. This cool canal even has stories from 1837 and is human-made. Alright, so this is inside the fashion market. Platinum one is so big. How many floors is here?
So actually there are 7 floors and there are 3 zones, and we are here now. We are in zone 3.
Look how many sections is here. Okay, let's explore a little bit and maybe you're gonna buy some, huh?
Yeah, let's go.
So this is the one of the alleys at the edge of the mall, and as you can see, actually I don't know if you can see because I cannot see the end of the alley. But it's like a mall full of fashion shops only here. So basically only clothes will be here. So probably it's perfect place for the ladies. I hope so some ladies watching us right now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Please enjoy a little bit session. Video specially dedicated for the ladies. However, the football jerseys are also here. Actually for everyone who are looking the clothes, not only for the ladies, obviously. Let's see what we can find here. Like blues like this one for 300, for example. And well, so much clothes, so much. Chayang, do you think you're gonna find something here?
I don't know. Everything is small size. I'm just a bigger size.
Oh, hello. Basically, this place is for showing you like for literally full day. Well, what I can say, so many people, so many selections of clothes everywhere around here. People coming, local people, also the international visitors, everybody coming here to shopping. And well, so much. Hope so. We're gonna choose something. Let's see. Like selecting the dresses here, maybe. What do you think?
So many choices. I confused.
So many, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Check this out. Actually, very beautiful shops here and so many selections of clothes. Just not sure what Sayang will choose. I will show you a little bit around. Sayang,
Huh?
do you like it?
Nice, right?
How much is it?
590.
500?
500
Nice.
is?
What do you think?
Nice.
Alright, as you can see, actually this mall is very big, right?
Yeah, so I think that I need my time to shopping and looking around.
I need to also charge the batteries, so if you're really gonna buy something, you will see in the next upcoming videos. Yeah, it's already after sunset time, and we just left using this link over there, as there is like a little market outside as well. They're selling the foods and drinks and coconuts and all of this stuff. However, everywhere actually inside you can get inside the more of the clothes, fashion mall. But yeah, they have a fruits, they have a sates. You know, this is the Bangkok. One good thing about the Bangkok, living in Bangkok, is that everywhere is everything. Yo, what's up? Like avocados here, you can buy the juice of avocado, one bottle 100 baht. As food and drinks and juices and everything is on every single corner here. You can have juices like this one and spices. Well, in general, food and drinks everywhere. And of course, Cafe Amazon is also here. Very important thing for every one of you who are coming to Bangkok and you're not familiar with the Bangkok, if you are looking for the food and you are coming into the very tourist area like this one and next to the World Central Mall and everything, actually everything is here double price than anywhere elsewhere. It's a little bit expensive here, so if you have a time and energy, better look for somewhere else. But here looks very beautiful. It's just a little bit pricey, right? But if you don't mind about the money, why not? Enjoy. The food is actually very beautiful here. That's without any doubts.
Cost of the food and beverage here is more expensive than Chatuchak market, but the type of the food is slightly the same.
Yeah, that's true. That's the good point of our observation. Anyways, all of these markets, if you are looking them, they are so big and so huge in general, and we're a little bit crowded as well, I'm gonna tell you. And also what is more interesting, on this side of the market, even the cars are allowed to drive, which is actually makes more interesting actually, or messy, the Bangkok messy actually. Which for some people, some of you guys may don't like it, Bangkok, because of that. Some of you guys may love it because of that. Yeah, this is like everywhere. In Bali, some people like the traffic, some people don't like it, and similar is here and everywhere around the world. Meanwhile, that's how does it look like here in Bangkok. Oh, and they have also Krispy Kreme here, just in case if you would like to have a nice donut. I like it, this brand. And okay, if I'm already here, this is very Thai thing, Bangkok thing, but Thai thing I believe. They have a bars as the food truck here with the full selections of the spirits and liquors. Loud music. How cool.
Already finished shopping, and yeah, this is how the Pratunam Night Market and then Platinum Mall over there is so busy and packed. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow, guys. The loud music behind me. Let's go.
Let's go. And then I'm gonna show you a little bit of the very big traffic situation in Bangkok right now, around 7:30 p.m. next to Central World and the Big C Super Center. Yeah, that's how it is. Big city alive, huh?